welcome back to my YouTube channel. I told you so. I know wake up and think fast I'm gonna help tired, but I small thing. Right? We're gonna do a beach vlog. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody. Okay? Happy New Year's. I don't know, just stay tuned. Continue watching. We with the whole fam. So you don't know we're cool. But yeah, guys. Anyways, guys, I couldn't hear cool. But we make a quick stop in the shop to buy a phone card. And, well, I'm waiting for the summer to finish cash. But yeah. Anyways, so we reach on the beach. And we come. Take out thing out of the
I see headshot puncher.
Stop studying. Alright, so we're looking for a spot. Guys. And then we gone go in the water and thing after our aisle. But yeah. Anyways, guys, so we eating and thing now.
What's about cheese and cheese bread?
And let them coming at me now for my hot dog. What? You ready? It's not even TikTok. Did he just? What's up,
Okay, guys. I'll follow up my TikTok. I'm glowing right now. Gonna take a bid in the little ocean. Well, in the beach.
In my story.
So, guys, all I don't know is it's cold. This is the boss in the building, the lightning real shitty.
Nah. Where are we going? In the beach now or the cabin? Serious. But
woo! We glowing.
anyways, guys. We ain't going to the beach now. I don't even think I'll
boy, I'm seeing the camera. Woo! That cool, boy.
Yeah, see me.
Big wave. Hey!
We can't keep recording. Now the best I could get, yeah. When I come out of the water, all I will see anything I had to tie up my hair. But when I come out, all I will see me.
Big up me.
Well, I can subscribe to the GW family one time. Big up we is that.
Big up the Wild Bee Bros.
But yeah, guys, continue watching. Stay tuned. Well, watch how ugly we looking.
But ugly, looking very sexy.
Anyways, this is the after effects. But we can't even leave here. Gotta wait until man them finish.
So all yeah. that ocean was a serious one, dog. So as we come out of the ocean, it's supposed to be a snack break. But I don't know. Me and 868 General lash up some hot dog. Tell them about the hot dog they feed.
That's another boss dog. I eat about 4. And them boys, yeah.
What? Now you're drastic.
And them boys and them want to play football. So we just saying out here.
Relaxing. I don't even know what I might do. Man, go back in the water.
I don't even know what to do in that blood clot water.
Yeah, all kind of things. I don't want to change as yet now because I'll
Probably
just
the
be
thing.
here.
They had to wash off the bad vibes. Alright guys, so we finished. We done made on thing and wash off the bad vibes. But he had to dry all this all looking like that. I still looking fresh. All in I fed up rock this hoodie, but I smoking. But I'm not buying a hoodie for me.
Hi guys.
See how white we look at me looking clean. That way we talking about skin melanin. Oh, it's that nothing.
Okay guys, bye.
Anyways, continue watching. We gonna buy some pizza. And yeah guys, that's how we rolling. Looking fine boy. Anyways, so we reaching the camera looking to go home then. Well, Mara finished herself. We got few one time. So yeah guys, we looking to go home.
Come in your vlog now.
Son, you been in my vlog all the time?
So guys, all I don't know. We're looking to go home.
Anyways, continue watching. Stay tuned. May I have to give it to you because it's in different streams. Let's get married done with the paydays. Now see out this type of no exchange. It's back into the fullest, not gonna make you feel no way. But how you want, but you already know that. Baby, it is obvious that I'm in love with you, girl.
Come by KFC.
Oh, we had to stop by. We had to stop by KFC.
Yes.
I'm gonna get out of the spoon.
And stop by KFC.
Trying one KFC. We want pizza. And
I
KFC
can never
guys,
get
yeah.
fed up eat
Well, you
KFC.
need to.
Because when I get fed up, always ask me if I'm sick or something. So now I'm not sick and I need KFC. So
But
come
now,
on.
be sick ready.
I would have for them royal castle and them box by the one that moment.
I told you, so we in Domino's. I looking high. Anyways, we in Domino's and we ordering pizza, right? And we just waiting for the pizza. Well, we ordering it, but oh gosh, well, I understand. Anyways, talking too much. Well, I can continue watching. Stay tuned. And yeah, guys. Alright, told you, so we get the pizza and the drinks.
Make sure you get the strong man holding the pizza now.
Anyways, guys, try to chill my pizza. Try by the video cut. But anyways, I can eat, and that was it for the vlog. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.
No one cares.
And yeah, guys.
Come on, now look at my KFC. Yeah, is that?
Bye.